Vidyut Parnabora, who is going to teach us some skills of the decisive moments, decision making. Welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to this wonderful Wednesday. And just before starting my presentation, I have a small request. Please put the phones on a silent mode.
Done.
Done? Yeah. Thank you. Let's start. To be or not to be? That's a question. To do something or not to do something? Question again. But why is this dilemma? Do you all agree that we are the product of our own decisions? Right? Yes. Even in the morning, at what time to wake up, what to wear, what to eat, at what time to go to office, by which mode of transportation we will go. Everything, these are the small decisions which we take, right? But there are certain decisions which are very crucial. And in that case, there is always a challenge to understand that what is right and what is wrong. So my dear friends, my today's topic is decision making. We have been taking our decisions since our childhood, isn't it? You'll be surprised to know what science says. Science says a child takes 2,852 steps of 17 cycles, which is approximately equal to the 52,000 steps before it masters the art of walking. But I always think, why it happens actually? The same child, when it grows up, the same child is not able to understand the difference between the learning and the failure. It's not something that we have not done these things. We have done these things when we are children. But again, we all forgot the process of learning. So my dear friends, my first appeal to you all is that please be calm and enjoy the process of learning. It's all right to do mistakes. Anything, the great things which are happening in the world, there were mistakes. There are mistakes going on. Leaders commit mistakes. It's all right to do mistakes. But the most important thing is that to learn from those mistakes. Please enjoy the process of learning, and learning is always a precious. We should enjoy the process. So just let me understand from you all, what is a decision according to you? Can I have some opinions?
It's an action you take based on based on an understanding that you have about something.
It's a thought process.
After doing analyzing your thoughts, the output, final output being that called decision.
True.
It's an alternative that we accept.
It's true.
It's always an argument between the mind and heart, and finally you do something.
Wonderful.
Great.
Because it's always first from that who you are.
Thank you.
Planning to do something
Sure, please.
based on facts and figures, you plan to do something. That's it.
Decision. So simply, all the choices or the judgment which we make in our everyday life are the decisions, right? So while I was going through the autobiography of a former president of India, I found something very much interesting. So I just like to share with you all. While India was preparing for the first time indigenous SLV-3, he got the news that his father passed away. He had to rush to the Rameshwaram to fulfill his final rites. He met his mother. But this project was very much important. It was about to create the history of the country. He couldn't spend much time with his mother at this critical phase of his life. And he had to take a decision. He had to choose between his mother and motherland.
Very good.
And he chose the later one. And rest is history. And today we very proudly say that India is ranked 5th in the world in terms of space technology, all thanks to this person, this wonderful human being. And there are so much of crucial decisions, hard work and persistence. I just want to request you all to just stand up for a moment to pay tribute to this wonderful human being. Thank you very much. Please have a seat. So, what we can infer from this? He could have sat there. He could have spent some time with his mother. At that time, he needed it, right? But he took that decision. He failed that. The country needed him more than his mother. I'm not saying that, my dear friends, that we have the full rights to take our decisions. But please prioritize. First things first. If there's a need, we should do it. We have to do it. So just get back to the decision making. Grossly, there are basically two types of decisions. One are the programmed decisions and the other one are the unprogrammed decisions. So can anyone tell me that what are the programmed decisions?
Program decisions which could be based on our experience and history, data.
Something that we have decided earlier that we are supposed to do things in a particular
Based on the
manner.
past experience.
Yeah, past.
No, but she's writing.
These are default.
One second, one at a time. One at a time. One at a time.
Scheduled,
Okay.
Scheduled and pre-decided.
already decided, premeditative, like, you know.
It's a decision by
So any choices made in a similar situation in the past. So that can be programmed.
So scheduled,
Yeah, scheduled.
I say by default.
by default.
Decision based on habits, habitual.
Yeah, which are automatic.
You take into consideration the positives, negatives, flaws, all that you take into, you know.
Yeah, that is by default.
Past experiences.
You said something about
Past experiences.
past experience.
By default is automatic.
Yeah,
What you're saying is
something else.
considered.
Weighing the pros and cons.
It's a
Or
controlled
which you
decision.
have, or which have been taught.
Controlled.
Program means
Weighing the pros and cons is something else.
Habits ही होगा.
Okay.
Fixed mindset.
Oh,
Fixed
wonderful.
mindset.
Calibrated.
Excellent. Very relevant word. Relevant. आ नहीं रहा था मेरे दिमाग में actually.
fixed mindset.
There's pros and cons.
Oh yeah.
Things that do you as a matter of habit.
You're actually
Yeah,
weighing
so based on habits.
And what has been taught to you? Like program is whatever you have out of education.
It's conditioned.
Out of education.
Very relevant.
You have been
Good one.
educated or you have
It's
been
very,
taught
very good.
something. So based on those teachings that you
Means
make.
based on experiences. You are.
Could be
Or based
knowledge.
on the circle of I know what I know.
Or we can say knowledge based decision.
Okay, based on.
Not experience, knowledge based.
Conditioned.
Preconceived.
Yeah.
Which is I know what I know times.
Yeah, that is based on knowledge. Based on knowledge.
Things that we do unconsciously without putting deliberate efforts into
That
it.
is
That is unprogrammed.
Okay.
Unprogrammed.
Yeah, that should
Programmed.
be.
I call that programming.
Okay. So these are the program decisions that you have. Okay. So can I have that? What do you mean by the unprogrammed decisions?
Spontaneous.
Impulsive decisions that you just.
Yeah, so out of
Spontaneous, impulsive.
Spontaneous.
spontaneous, impulsive.
Is like something you do
Hindu today.
uncertainty.
Uncertainty.
Yes.
Great.
Uncertain.
Serious
The
action.
second one is
Impulsive. Uncertainty.
Very
Very
true.
Situational.
Situation.
Emotional also.
Oh, impulsive.
Matlab,
It's a
ठीक
kind
है,
of-
but-
These are emotional intelligence based on.
No, suddenly you're put in a tight spot.
Impulsive.
Impulsive behavior.
Any more things you want to add on?
Fear. Fear.
Sixth sense.
So impulsive. It's like based on emotions.
Yes, sixth sense to our intuition.
Gut. Impulsive. So thank you very much for all your efforts. So just to, yeah, you want to say something?
Yeah, natural.
Yeah, spontaneous.
Spontaneous, natural.
Yeah, it's there.
I read over there. It would be impulsive and natural on this side. It would go on that side.
Yeah. I'm just about to conclude this.
When we evaluate
Like,
the alternatives and then we take a
because your
decision based on
nature
that.
is programmed.
Based on which one is better, that's our program.
Thank you
Okay.
very much for all your efforts. So just to conclude this, so program decisions are actually the prescribed decisions. For example, if we visit a doctor and doctor prescribes a medicine, we have the full liberty to choose the pharmacy from where we want to buy, but we don't have the liberty to change the medicine.
Yes.
Excellent.
Good.
So these are actually the planned decisions. These things are to be done, to-do list, right? And unprogrammed decisions are the analytical decision, which demands analysis. And in this kind of decisions, we have to think more and more.
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay.
Now, my dear friends, I always believe that there is always a secret behind any wise thing. So I discovered something, the 3 secrets of a wise decision. First secret that everyone we should have before taking any kind of decision is courage. We should have the courage to take action. We should have the courage to take a step. We often heard this, we often read this. Leaders take risks, leaders take steps, and others follow.
Yes.
Do you really think that they have any kind of extraordinary thing in them?
No.
Just the
No,
courage
but-
to take decisions.
Correct.
The only element they have is that, most importantly, courage. They have the courage to take action. But from where this courage will come? How a person will become more confident?
Self-belief?
But this self-belief, when it will be there? When the person will have a proper logics, be rational. If we go to any organization and if we ask somebody who is holding a high position that why sir you have taken this decision, I assure that that person will come up with 50 different reasons with proper explanations and justifications.
Relevant.
So always have logics, reasons. So that's why we always say that clear your why. We should have that clear. And third most important secret I find in my life, that it's the most important secret, because we have a courage, we have a reasons, but still we feel that somewhere we're not able to decide what is right and what is wrong. So third most important secret for me is that ethics, moral values in action. We are being taught in our school days, right? Honesty is the best policy, morality is the basis of the things, and truth is the substance of morality. And when the truth word comes, it always against a debatable. But my dear friends, truth is always truth. Truth can only be one. If there is any kind of modification, that means that is untruth. And interpretation of truth is always a truth.
Very
Yes.
Very relevant.
So can you just repeat the 3 secrets of a wise decision? First,
Courage.
courage.
Ethics.
Second, be rational.
Ethics.
Third, follow ethics.
Yes,
Thank you.
very
Great. Now we will go through a process, that is a 5-step process of a decision making, keeping these 3 secrets in mind. So first step is understand the situation. Take your time, my dear friends. Sit, write on a paper. What is the situation? Please understand it first. Otherwise, you won't be able to analyze anything. Understand the situation. Second, gather the information. Collect, gather whatever the information you can collect about that situation. Anything, positive, negative, anything. Just gather or collect. Now, third step is weigh the evidence. Now, what is the weigh the evidence?
Facts and figures.
Facts and figures, true. Yes.
Whatever the data that you collected, you have to make sure whether it is relevant or irrelevant.
Yes.
Evidence.
Weigh the evidence is
Verify the evidence.
Yeah,
Basically
verify.
that it is.
something if you want to follow a decision, then what will be the pros and cons? And if
Yeah.
you're not going with that decision, if you're going to take some other decision, then what will be the pros and cons? Just make a table, clear it, and write it. What will be the pros and cons? Now you have options, right? You have all taken the pros and cons and you have written all these things. Now choose from the options. This is the next step. Obviously, wherever the pros will be the more, and you are going to take the decision on. Now, this 3 secrets, out of these 3 secrets, the first secret, courage, plays a most important role. Because now, you have to have that courage to take that action, right? Last step is take that decision, execute it with the courage, implement it, take the step. Now I'm going to give you all a sheet of a paper. So you have to think that whatever the decision you want to take on a future date, or anything if you are stuck in any kind of decision, please follow this process, keeping the 3 secrets in mind, and take your time and fill this. Now I'm just going to end my session. I just want to say only one thing. You may never know what come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Thank you. Please go for it. Please go.